Friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Sada Rao. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what are the differences between app engine environments. Like if you see in my previous videos, last two previous videos, I discussed about app engine standard environment and app engine flexible environment. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what exactly the differences between App Engine, Flex standard environment and flexible environment. Before moving to video, please subscribe my channel Sada Learning Hub and click on the bell button to get the latest updates. Now, what exactly the differences between standard environment and flexible environment? If you see in the App Engine, there is a two types of environments are there, like standard environment and flexible environment. What exactly the difference is, right? I'm going to discuss now what exactly the difference. I will show you the one table here, table format differences. See here, already I said there are the two differences, standard environment and flexible environment. What exactly? What are the differences between both? Now I categorized the different categories: instance startup and SSH access, right to local disk, and support for three third-party binaries and network access and pricing model. I divided all those things, these many categories. I'm going to discuss each and every category, what exactly the difference is. If you see in the standard environment, instance startup takes milliseconds. And coming to flexible environment, instance startup is going to take minutes. Why? Because in the standard environment, all are pre-configured. Coming to the flexible environment, we can customize it your own, whatever you want. And coming to the SSH access, in the standard environment, there is no SSH access. Coming to the flexible environment, there is a SSH access, although not by default, we need to enable if you want SSH access. Coming to the third category, work to local disks. In the standard environment, there is no work to local disks. Coming to the flexible environment, we have an option to do work right to the local disks. Sorry, right to the local disks. But writes are ephemeral, right? Coming to support of third-party binaries, there is no support of binaries, third-party binaries in the standard environment. Why? Because all are pre-configured. We don't have an access. Whatever features in the standard environment they are going to give, you need to use those third-party binaries. It's possible. It's not possible to get outside of third-party binaries. Coming to the flexible environment, we have support for third-party binaries. If you need, we can get the Docker image file. We can install into in our app engine. We'll get automatically. Coming to the network access, if you want to access the standard environments via app engine services, if you want to access the flexible environment, we can use it directly with the security. And coming to the pricing model, after free daily usage, pay for instance class with automatic shutdown. See here, in the standard environment, there is a daily usage is there. After daily usage, we need to pay for instance. Coming to the flexible environment, pay for the resources allocated per hours, no automatic shutdowns. Whatever the resources you are going to allocate, we need to pay for those resources. Here is a side-by-side comparison of a standard and flexibles. Notice that standard environment startup instances of your application faster, but that you get a less access to the infrastructure in which your application runs. For example, flexible environments lets you SSH into the virtual machines on which your application runs. It lets you use the local disks for scratch spaces. It lets you install the third-party softwares, and it lets you application makes calls to the networks without going through App Engine. On the other hand, standard environments billing can drop to zero for completely idle applications. Say completely for idle applications. You don't need to pay anything for standard environments. Why? Because in the standard environments we have a daily usage is there. That's about comparison the apps engine environments like standard and flexible environment. I hope you guys understand what exactly the standard environment does, what are the pros and cons of the standard environment and flexible environment. Based on your requirement, you need to go which environment is suitable for you. We need to choose it and we need to use that environment for your application. That's about this video, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.